The Expat Playbook isn't here to entertain you. It's here to rewire you. Most men who move abroad, they don't get scammed by women. They get finessed by their own fantasies. You thought it was love. It was payroll. You thought you were free. You just changed the wallpaper on your cage. This channel gives you the systems, the morning rituals, clarity checks, emotional defense, because without structure, you drift, and drifting men get wrecked. We don't scream about the alpha this, sigma that. We teach men how to lead without barking. Frame, discipline, calm command. That's what gets respect abroad. You didn't move abroad just to be cheaper and lonelier. You moved for more life. So build it. Stack your body, your mind, your money like it matters, because it does. The Expat Playbook is not self-help. It's self-command. No simps, no savior fantasies, just doctrine.